figured I'd work on the Planetary for the 432, and last time I did it, it was the first one I did, and it took a long time for me to do it, and rebushing the gears, that is. So this time I figured I'd do it in a batch, like I do all three at the same time. It's really sensitive with the reamer. With the reamer, there's this adjustment on the end here. If you move it like that much, like a quarter turn, it could mean that you went too much and you can't use the gear anymore. So what I decided to do was, like, I'd set it once and ream all three gears, then turn it a hair, all three gears, turn it a hair, all three gears, and it really saved a lot of setup time. But I'm very happy. Like, look at this, there's like no play at all, perfect fit, all of them. I'm very, very happy with this. And this is going to go in my 432. So I'm going to blow it apart first, then I'm going to put the ring back on it here and do the top gears, whatever. But this is really the way to go, and it's coming out real nice. It's the best one I've done yet. I'm very happy with it. So, you know, I never used a reamer until a couple months ago when I bought this, and it's really not that bad. You just got to have a little patience and do it slow, and it'll be worth the wait. Alright? Now I got the top gears on, and again, I'm very happy with how these came out. They got nice bushings now, barely any play. I can't wait to hook this up tomorrow. This thing is going to be like brand new. I found a lot of these, this whole ring here is shot, where these pins go in here, they're all egg-shaped, but this one's really good, and I'm shocked that it's not destroyed more, because the old bushings were so sloppy that one of them was so worn out that I pushed it out of the gear with my finger. I didn't even need the press. That's how screwed up they were. I did have a little blunder putting it back together, and one of my bolts here snapped off on me. Oops. Good thing I had a couple spares laying around. So problem is that they get egg-shaped, and like this one here is an egg-shaped one. But anyways, that's where we're at. So tomorrow I'm going to put this in the 432 and pop the engine in that bad boy and see what we can do. Stay tuned.